Welcome to Our Daily Health. How to get rid of bad breath. 13 natural cures for bad breath. Globally, about 35 to 45% of people have bad breath, halitosis. Furthermore, 60% of them are more likely to develop stress than those who don't. Besides being embarrassing, it can affect your self-esteem, social and professional life too. Dry mouth, gum disease, and poor dental hygiene, to mention a few, cause halitosis. Fortunately, there are many home remedies you can use to freshen your breath and boost your self-esteem. How to get rid of bad breath. 13 natural cures for bad breath. Number 1. Brush your teeth twice a day. The two primary sources of mouth odor are decaying food particles and bacteria. According to research, poor dental hygiene is a leading cause of halitosis. Food particles are lodged on your teeth and gums, and when they decay, you develop a mouth odor. Brush your teeth twice daily using a soft bristled toothbrush and toothpaste. Be sure to brush every surface with gentle strokes. It should take you 3 minutes if you do it correctly. Number 2. Clean your tongue. Brushing your teeth isn't enough. It will help if you brush your tongue too. Why? Because your tongue has grooves and textured bumps that hold food debris, therefore harboring more bacteria than any other part of your mouth. When you remove bacteria on your tongue, you reduce mouth odor. The best way to brush your tongue is from back to front as you rinse your toothbrush between strokes. Number 3. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash keeps your mouth moist while destroying the bacteria that cause halitosis. When buying mouthwash, look for one that has chlorine dioxide. Many bacteria live at the back of the tongue, and it's difficult to remove them with regular brushing. Fortunately, rinsing with a chlorine dioxide mouthwash neutralizes bacteria. Try swishing with mouthwash before brushing or scraping the tongue. Then, repeat after brushing. Number 4. Chew gum. Here's another thing. Chewing gum encourages the production of saliva in your mouth. Saliva has enzymes that neutralize bacteria, so the more saliva you produce, the fresher your breath. On the contrary, a dry mouth is a foul mouth because bacteria thrive in such environments. Most gums are flavored, and this helps them to fight halitosis. Besides the sweet-scented ones, those with xylitol are the best. Xylitol is a sugar substitute that prevents bacteria from multiplying in your mouth. Therefore, it's best to chew these. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is another effective remedy for mouth odor. A study by PubMed.gov shows that green tea has deodorizing and disinfectant properties that freshen breath. Moreover, mint has similar effects. Therefore, a cup of mint-infused green tea is an ideal breath freshener. Prepare a cup of green tea and sip slowly throughout the day. You can buy green tea from food stores or supermarkets. Number 6. Parsley. Did you know that parsley alleviates mouth odor? Probably not, but it does. Parsley has been a mainstay ingredient in folk medicine to help bad breath. The reason being, the chlorophyll content in it has antibacterial and deodorizing effects. To take advantage of it, chew on fresh parsley leaves. Alternatively, add them to your salads, vegetable dishes, juices, or smoothies. Always remember to use fresh parsley because the dried ones have no similar properties. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 7. Lemon juice and baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes the acid in your mouth, destroying bacteria that thrive in acidic areas. As a result, it balances the pH levels of your mouth. On the other hand, lemon has antibacterial compounds that fight the bacteria. This remedy makes a stellar combination to remove halitosis. To use it, mix half a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and rub the mixture on your teeth for a minute and then rinse. Number 8. Eucalyptus oil. According to the National Institute of Health, eucalyptus exerts antibacterial effects on various types of bacteria. Besides this, it also has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that alleviate swelling or pain in your mouth. To use it, mix 2 drops of the oil in a cup of warm water. Gargle with it for 2 minutes and spit it out. Then rinse with clean water. Repeat this once daily until you're relieved. Number 9. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are an intrinsic part of Indian cuisine. Not only that, Indian restaurants serve fennel seeds as a mouth freshener because they have aromatic oils. The seeds neutralize the garlic and onion smell. And the best part, what to do. Chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds or make a mouthwash by simmering a teaspoon of the seeds in a glass of water. After boiling, strain the seeds and pour the solution into a container, and your mouthwash is ready, cheap and organic. They remove infections that may be causing halitosis. Use it to rinse your mouth in the morning and evening every day. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is the king of all. It has a substance called gingerol that exerts antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Don't you love its flavor too? It is fantastic, and it helps in freshening your breath. What's more, ginger destroys halitosis-causing bacteria. There are many forms of ginger, including tea, tinctures, oils, and capsules. However, using fresh ginger is the best. First, grate and squeeze ginger root to extract the juice. Then add it to a cup of water to make a mouth rinse. Alternatively, simmer the grated ginger in a cup of water and sip on it throughout the day to combat mouth odor. Number 11. Zinc. Zinc salt is an ingredient present in chewing gums and mouthwash that helps counteract halitosis. Furthermore, zinc decreases the number of sulfurous components in your breath. The Journal of Clinical Periodontology, published in 2017, has shown that rinsing with a zinc-based solution may effectively reduce mouth odor for about 6 months. Try chewing zinc-containing gums if you have a dry mouth. Or better still, buy a zinc-based mouthwash and swish your mouth with it 3 times a day. Number 12. Oranges. Oranges not only make a healthy dessert, but they also enhance dental hygiene. Oranges have citric acid and vitamin C, which stimulates the production of saliva. For example, this study shows that vitamin C increases saliva production and alleviates mouth odor. You can chew on fresh orange peels or add 3 drops of orange essential oil to a glass of water and drink it. Orange essential oil is rich in limonene, an antioxidant that fights the microbes causing halitosis. Number 13. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for your overall health, and yes, it can help combat halitosis. According to the American Dental Association, mouth dryness contributes to mouth odor. Saliva plays a vital role in keeping your mouth moist. Without it, bacteria thrive. To avoid dry mouth, stay hydrated. Drink 8 glasses of water every day and cut on sugary drinks. You can add fruit slices like lemon or strawberry in your water if you don't like its bland taste. Bottom line, if you've been suffering from bad breath, not all hope is lost. These home remedies will help you. Brushing your teeth regularly, chewing gum, using parsley and fennel seeds will neutralize the bacteria in your mouth and in turn promote fresh breath. So implement these remedies and enjoy a lasting fresh breath. Which of these natural cures for bad breath do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.